Welcome, friends. Today, I want to share a story that touched my soul deeply. A conversation between an old monk and his curious student. Imagine a serene monastery nestled in the mountains. The gentle breeze whispers through the trees, and the soft rays of the sun cast a golden hue over the ancient stones. Here, in this tranquil sanctuary, lived an old monk, revered for his wisdom and serenity. One day, a young student approached the monk with a burning question. "Master," he asked, "what is the secret to true joy?" The monk smiled, his eyes twinkling with a lifetime of knowledge. "My child," the monk began, "true joy is found in the realization of oneness, the understanding that you are not separate from the world around you, but intrinsically connected to every living being and every element of nature." The student, eager for more, leaned in closer. "But Master, how do I experience this oneness? How do I feel connected in a world full of distractions and divisions?" The monk closed his eyes for a moment, as if drawing from an inner well of peace. "First," he said softly, "quiet your mind. In the silence you will hear the whispers of the universe. Meditate and let go of your ego, your fears, and your desires." The student nodded, absorbing each word. The monk continued, "Second, practice compassion. See yourself in others. When you help another, you help yourself. When you love another, you love yourself. This is the essence of oneness." A gentle smile spread across the student's face, as if a light had been switched on within him. And finally the monk added, "Live in the present moment. Joy is not something to be chased in the future or reminisced in the past. It is here now, in this very breath." The student took a deep breath, feeling a sense of peace wash over him. "Thank you, Master," he said, bowing deeply. The monk placed a hand on the student's shoulder, his touch warm and reassuring. "Remember, my child, oneness is not a destination but a journey. Every step you take with mindfulness and compassion brings you closer to the oneness that already exists within you." And with that, the student walked away, feeling lighter, more connected, and ready to embrace the joy of being one. So, my friends, as you go about your day, remember the monk's lesson. Seek silence, practice compassion, and live in the present moment. Discover the oneness within you, and let joy flow into every corner of your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, be well and stay connected. As you walk through your own garden of life, remember to nurture the seeds of oneness and joy. Let them bloom into a vibrant, flourishing life filled with peace and happiness. Until we meet again, may your journey be filled with light and love.